Hello everyone, welcome back to OCS by Ranjan YouTube channel. Previous video रे आम डिस्कस करिथिले 2020 CPET रा क्वेश्चन पेपर जे माने देखि नाहंती प्रीवियस वीडियो टी देखि नेबे। हमर CPET रा कंप्यूटर साइंस एवं MCA रो टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट होई सारी छी। डिस्क्रिप्शन रे थिबा लिंक रे जॉइन होई जिवे एवं फाउंडेशन क्लास मध्ये स्टार्ट होई सारी छी। चलंतु आज हम स्टार्ट करिबा 2021 CPET रा क्वेश्चन पेपर। Question number 1. The functional difference between SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop is that option C. JK flip-flop accept both input as 1. Question number 2. When in order traversing a tree result E, A, C, K, F, H, D, B, G, the pre-order traversal would return देख पिला माने जेतेबेले इन ऑर्डर ट्रावर्सल विजिट करिवो नोड को इन ऑर्डर लेफ्ट सब ट्री रूट एंड राइट सब ट्री सही परी प्री ऑर्डर ट्रावर्सल विजिट करिवो रूट लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड राइट सब ट्री। देयरफॉर टू कन्वर्ट इन ऑर्डर टू प्री ऑर्डर हमको आइडेंटिफाई करबा को हेबो रूट ऑफ ईच सब ट्री ईच प्री ऑर्डर सीक्वेंस। इन दिस केस द रूट ऑफ entire tree is f. Then we can recursively applying the process of each subtree. So the correct answer is option B, F A E K C D H G B. Question number 3. The operator used to get value at address stored in a pointer variable is option A. Question number 4. Find the decimal equivalent of the binary number 110.101 base 2. एथिरे इंटीजर पार्ट अच्छे 101102 1102 सो 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. एथिरे फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट अच्छे 0.1012 सो 1/2 plus 0/4 plus 1/8 is equal to 0.265. So the correct answer is option B. Evaluate and find the value of 101110 base 2. Here the correct answer is option B, 56. Question number 6. Evaluate and find the value of 10C0 plus 10C1 plus 10C10. Here the formula is all binomial coefficient in the equation of a plus b to the power n is equal to 2 to the power n. Therefore 10C0 plus 10C1 plus 10C10 is equal to 2 to the power 10. So 1024. Option A, 2 to the power 10. Question number 7. Let A0 is equal to 1, A1 is equal to 1. Then using the relation A to the power an is equal to an minus 1 plus n minus 2, what is the value of a12? So here the correct answer is option C, 233, because here a1 is equal to 1, a0 is equal to 1. If we put the formula on it, a2 is equal to a1 plus a0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and a3 is equal to a2 plus a1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. As same as a12 is equal to 233. So answer is 233. Question number 8. A graph contains 16 edges and all vertices of degree 2. Then how many vertices it contains? Option D, 10. In a graph, the sum of degree of all vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. Let V be the number of vertices. Since all vertices have degree 2, the sum of degrees is equal to 2v. Therefore, 2v is equal to 2 into 16. So, v is equal to 16. Question number 9. What is the number of edges present in complete graph having n vertices? The correct answer is option B. In a complete graph, every vertex is connected to every other vertex. So, each vertex has n minus 1 edges. The total edges is n into n minus 1. Since edges is connected twice, the number of edges in complete graph is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Question number 10. Which of the following complexity analysis is correct? The correct answer is option C. The worst case running time for building a binary search tree is 0 n square. Question number 11. What is the asymptotic notational form of the following recurrence relation? The option A, theta nq. Question number 12. If two dice are thrown, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers of the dice is greater than or equal to 8? The correct answer is option A, 5 by 18. Question number 13. What is the minimum number of multiplication required to compute the polynomial? Option C, 3. Question number 14. If any dash, then dash L statement is executed n times, then what is the size of the sample space? Option C, 2 to the power n. Question number 15. Every address generated by the CPU is divided into option D, page number and page offset. Question number 16. A cycle in a resource allocation graph denotes option C, there may or may not be deadlock in the system. Number 17. A time quantum is used in which operating system? Option B, multitasking. Question number 18. Which of the following semaphore can take negative integer value? Option A. Question number 19. System calls to allocate and free memory fall into which category of the system call? Option A, process control. Which layer in OSI model is responsible for flow control? Option B, data link layer and transport layer. DL means data link layer. OSI model is the most important. एउथुरु गोटे क्वेश्चन सब वर्ष सियोर आसुची. So this is the most important question, OSI model. Question number 21. Noiseless channel dash formula defines the theoretical maximum bit rate dash defines the bit rate in noisy channel. Option C. High paging activity and page fault can be limited using dash algorithm. Option B. Local replacement. Assuming that the disk head position at 15 and the disk QE of 1 by input output block request are 98, 37, 14, 124, 65, 67. Find the number of disk move required with FCFS. Fast come and fast serve. Option A, 338. The time for the disk arm to move the heads to cylinder containing the desired sector is called option B, seek time. 25. Which one of the following given statements possible contains the error? Option D. Select phone number where phone number where roll number is equal to 1009 and last name is equal to DASH dash. Question number 26. The following query, which of the following can be placed in the query blank portion to display the salary from lowest to highest amount and sorting the employee's name alphabetically? Option A. (27) In a transaction, which of the following has all or non property? Option C. Atomicity. Dash ensure that the data used during the execution of transaction cannot be used by a second transaction until the first one completed. Option C. Isolation. 29. Given the relation student name, department number, course fee and department number, department name and address, which of the following query cannot be expressed using the basic relational algebra operation? Option B. Question number 30. Consider a schema R, A, B, C, D and functional dependency A refers to B and C refers to D. Then decomposition of R into R1AB and R2CD is? Option D. Dependency preserving but not less join. But not less loss join. 31. Given the basic ER and relational model, which of the following is incorrect? Option C. In a row of relational table, an attribute can have more than one value. 32. Which of the following is true? Option A. Every relation in BCNF is also in 3NF. 33. Which one of the following statement about normal form is false? Option B. Lossless dependency preserving decomposition into BCNF is always possible. 34. Consider a relation schema R is equal to ABCDEH on which the following functional dependency hold: A refers to B, BC refers to D, E refers to C, D refers to A. What is the candidate key of R? Number C. How many children does a node of binary tree have? Option C. 0, 1 or 2. 36. Which matrix has most of the element, not all, as 0? Option C. Sparse matrix. 37. What is the best case of linear search? Option D. 38. The C keyword break cannot be simply used in? Option B. If else. What is the default return type if it is not specified in function definition in C? Option B. Integer. The data structure required for breadth-first traversal on a graph is? C. QE. Question number 41. Which of the following is true about p-fold optimization? Option C. It is one of the constant folding technique. Question number 42. What is the output of the lexical analyzer? Option B. Set of tokens. 43. Which of the following data structure represent the relationship between basic block and its successor? Option D. Flow graph. 44. Which of the following error are detected by the compiler? Option B, only grammatical error. 45. Which of the following is the primary function of semantic analysis fetch? 45. B, type checking. 46. Which of the following is related to the canonical collection of LR0 item? Option D, go to. 47. Which of the following is true about top-down parser? 47b. It parses using leftmost deviation. 48. What is the output of this C code? The code will result compile time error. The variable p is declared as constant. The variable p is declared as constant. A constant variable must be initialized with a value at the time of its declaration. Assigning value p after its declaration will cause a compile time error. So, the correct answer is option B, compile time error. 49. Which classes allow primitive types to be accessed as object? Option D, wrapper. Question number 50. What defines a general set of operations that will be applied to various types of data? Option B, function template. 51. Inline functions are invoked at the time of. Option B, compile time. 52. The default access label assigned to member of class is dash. Option A, private member. 53. An examination paper has 100 multiple choice questions of 1 mark each. With each question having 4 choices, each incorrect answer fetch 0.25 mark. Suppose 200 students choose all their answer randomly with uniform probably the sum of total expected mark obtained by all those students is option C, 1250. Question number 54. A group consists of equal number of men and women. Of this group, 20% of men and 50% of women are unemployed. If a person is selected at random form of group, the probability of the selected person being employed is option C. Question number 55. The effectiveness of cache memory is based on the property of. Option A, locality of reference. The structure or format of data is called option A, syntax. The physical layer of network concerned with option B, bit by bit delivery. 58. Which one of the following is a transport layer protocol used internet? 58C, both A and B, TCP and UDP. 59. Which of the following is the fundamental operation is relational algebra? 59D, select. 60. Which module gives control to the CPU to the process selected by the short-term scheduler? Option A, dispatcher. 61. Minimize the Boolean function. Option A. Evaluate and find 1715 base 10. 62. B, BAB. 63. How many 4-digit telephone number have one or more repeated digit? C. 64. The unit to measure the speed of a processor. Option D, Hz. 65. If A and B are matrices, then which form of the following is true? Option C. 66. Which gate is known as universal gate? Option C. NAND gate. 67. The 2's complement of binary number is 0.10011 is option A 1.10101. 68. Which two are valid constructor for thread? Option C 1 and 2. In mathematics and computer programming, which is the correct order of mathematical operator? Option B division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. 70. Evaluate the following limit. Option D does not exist.